This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Logic Pro with a project open. Select the track or region you need to inspect. First, use Command plus Option and drag in the Arrange view to marquee zoom. This gives precise horizontal and vertical focus. Alternatively, pick the Zoom tool from the toolbar for click-to-zoom control. Once done, toggle Control plus Option plus Command plus Z to enter a detailed zoom mode. This lets you refine timing and fades without changing overall window size, which is faster for edits. Now refine the view so you can see timing and amplitude clearly. For horizontal zoom, pinch on the trackpad or hold Option and scroll the mouse. Command plus left/right also steps through presets. For vertical detail, hover the track divider and drag to change height, or use Control plus up/down for finer increments. This helps when editing MIDI velocity versus audio waveform. Make sure to save a custom window preset if you'll reuse the same zoom ratios, because presets speed up repetitive workflows. Finish by opening the specific editor you need. Piano roll for MIDI or audio editor for waveforms. Use the editor's zoom buttons or the same keyboard shortcuts to match the Arrange view. Once edits are complete, press Shift plus Z to reset zoom across windows, or use global tracks to reframe the entire session quickly. If zoom stops responding, toggle between views, restart Logic Pro, and as a last resort, delete the Window Preferences file. This clears corrupted view settings without harming audio or project data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.